So in mathematics, we can have math.cos, can have the log. Also, there is the random, let's say, package, which is really useful. Random.choice, it will just choose one element of this list, which is really nice. Also, it can create some samples, like 10 samples of this list, and sampling without replacing. Just pick up 10 elements from this list if you want, or from this list, for example, or from whatever, if you really are into something. But normally they can be, yeah, they can be just small and big. Normally you have more, why you have way more bigger numbers than smaller numbers is because you have more probability to end up in a bigger number than in a smaller number. So it has to do just with some uniform probabilities. Here you have random.random will return a random float. Random.randomRange range 6 will give you some random from 0 to 5. You can also have statistics, like statistics library. You have some data, you can have the mean on the data, the median, or the variance of the data. Also, like some more variance, maybe standard deviation. Statistics, Python, standard deviation, or you can just do it like from the variance, like just square roots std dev. Okay, std dev. So here you have the standard deviation.